Good day and welcome to Mrs. Bam's Study Notes. Today we are looking at the Roman Jacobson's 6 functions of language. Please subscribe to the channel to access other videos on communication studies. In communication studies, we look at the language functions like Jacobson's 6 because language is more than just words. It helps us to understand how communication really works in real life. Here is why it matters. Number 1, it helps us see that language has many purposes, like expressing feelings, giving instructions, checking if someone's listening, or even just to sound creative. Number 2, it makes us better communicators. Number 3, it helps us analyze and understand texts. Number 4, it helps us to teach and to learn languages. And number 5, it reflects real-life communication, like joking, showing feelings, making people do things, and creating art with words. In short, we look at language as a way to understand how people use it to connect, share, feel, think, and act. Let us look at Jacob's 6 functions of language individually. Number 1 is the referential function. This function is used when we want to give information, describe something, or talk about facts. The main focus is on the message and what we are talking about. For example, if someone says, "The sun rises in the east," they are simply sharing a fact. Number 2, the emotive or the expressive function. The emotive function shows how the speaker feels. It expresses emotions, feelings, or opinions. When someone says, "I am so happy today," they are not giving information about the world, but rather expressing how they feel. This function is all about the speaker. Number 3, the conative function. This function is used when we speak to someone and try to get them to do something. It often appears in commands or requests. For example, if you say, "Please sit down," you are trying to make the other person act. This focuses on the listener. The 4th function is the phatic function. The phatic function is used to start, maintain, or to check a conversation. This helps us see if the communication channel is working. For example, when someone says, "Hello, can you hear me?" they are not giving information or asking for action. They are just checking if the other person is listening. Number 5 is metalingual or metalinguistic function. This function is used when we talk about the language itself. We use it to explain or ask about words or grammar. For example, if someone asks, "What does the word justice mean?" they are using language to talk about language. This function helps us to understand each other better. Number 6 is the poetic function. The poetic function focuses on how the message is said, not just what is being said. It often appears in poetry, songs, slogans, or creative writing. For example, in the sentence, "The moonlight danced on the water," the words are chosen to sound beautiful or artistic. The focus is on the form and the style of the message. Each function plays a different role in how we use language every day. Sometimes one sentence can include more than one function, but usually one will be the main purpose. Understanding these 6 functions can help us become better at using and analyzing language. Please join me again for Mrs. Bam's Study Notes.